In today's video, I'm going to show you how SmartNoter AI Note Taker could change the way you capture and organize information. SmartNoter AI steps in as a tool designed to make note taking smarter, faster, and more actionable. This app uses artificial intelligence to transcribe audio into text, summarize key points, and even pull out action items you can immediately use. What stood out most during my testing was how quickly it could take a long, unstructured voice memo and turn it into a clear, categorized summary. For students trying to stay on top of lectures or professionals managing meetings, this is a major productivity boost. With just one tap, you can capture the full content and instantly get a concise synopsis. Users often highlight its simple, user friendly interface and its ability to break down complex topics into digestible insights. Many call it a game changer for staying organized when time is limited. That said, the app isn't perfect. Transcription accuracy can dip when there's background noise or unclear speech, which is a common frustration. There are also some limitations, like maximum recording lengths of around 120 minutes, and export options restricted mainly to PDFs. Many users would love to see plain text or additional formats added. So the question is, can SmartNoter truly revolutionize your note taking process? For many people, it just might. Thank you for watching this video.